Don't be thinking I'm gonna start January 1st. If you see this video, if you see this video start right now, bro, I'm saying start instantly. Because a lot of people get mixed up with, oh, I'm gonna need the right time to start. There's no better time to start than right now, bro. You finally want to get fit in 2025. I got you. Deals me in 2022. A year later in 2023, got that shit done. Now it's 2024, I'm still fit. I'm gonna teach y'all the way, trust me. Before though, I'm always starting off with a freestyle on this channel. If you don't like it, skip to this point. Hey, I don't know what the beat is. I just searched it up and I was like, yo, why not? But who knows? This might actually be a #1 hit if I ever release it, because I probably don't. But let me turn this shit up a little bit. It's a Nam style beat, by the way. It's in the description as well. I'm just going off the dome, always in my zone low. Maybe I should do it on topic, I don't know. Look, I was down low, wondering why the fuck y'all niggas stressing. I got no time to be playing around, ain't got no time to reminiscing. Yeah, hit the name. Every day I be focused on the mission. Yeah, hit the name. Every day I'ma focus on the fishing. Look, I got no time to be playing or kidding. I did that shit, I'm done with it. 2025, I'm gon' get crazy, my nigga. I'm way too alive with it. I got no time to be playing by shorty. She's fucking my up. I get up. It should be fucking me up as I get on my way. I did this shit every day. I was not low in the bay. Now I'm up going crazy in LA. Now I'm up going crazy everywhere. Shit, nigga, I do not care. Uber everywhere like I made in Tokyo. Bad bitch on my body acting like a hoe. I got no time to be playing Wi-Fi. I'ma need 100K, nigga, that's damn sure. Getting fit is a mind frame. I had to get in my zone. I got no time to complain. I swear most of these bitches lame. I swear most niggas name. I had to switch on my lane. And I went insane. If a nigga wanna play with me, I swear to God he a dummy. I was not low nigga pushing their money. I was not low, now I'm getting it up. These niggas like to check that I don't give a fuck. Okay, I gotta get to my guap and my dope, my paper, my nigga. That shit is for sure. I got no time to be playing, my nigga. I'm ready and steady on come mind though. Ice on my wrist, ice on your hoe. I see your bitch, know how I go. That shit froze, like okay. I got no time, stay out the way. Fuck on my face, fuck on my face, fuck on my face, fuck on my what? Fuck on my face. That's enough. Look though. So you wanna get fit. I don't know if you can see this. I don't know at all. But if you can, congratulations. You still can listen, it don't matter. You wanna get fit, and people always wanna first have the body. Like they first wanna have the muscles. They first wanna have the muscles. And then they think they will obtain the mindset like, I'm finally fit. You got the whole system fucked up. You first, right, gotta have the mindset. The mindset is the start. Your inner world reflects your outer world. So the most important thing is getting the right mindset. That's step 1. Getting the right mindset. Nigga, ooh, that writing low-key good. Hold on, I can write for real. The right mindset is step 1. So how do you get that mindset? How do you get the mindset to be fit or have a fit mindset? First of all, you gotta literally think and believe, and this might be delusional for some. You gotta have a little delusion to succeed. I'm telling you right now, you gotta have delusion. You think that a person that's 300 pounds and made it to 120 or 140 or 150, made that shit purely of, yo, I can do it. Nah, they had to be a little delusional, because it might be impossible where you are right now, but it's so doable. Just gotta believe in yourself and be delusional. So the mindset, I'm saying, have the delusion. Just be thinking, I can do this shit. On God I can. I believe in myself. Because if you ain't gonna believe in you, who the fuck will? So internally, act like you are already fit. That's why they always say fake it till you make it. I don't like the term necessarily, but it's still true. Like, you gotta be the thing that you wanna be before you are the thing. So you literally gotta be fit and act like a fit person. You gotta act like a fit person. What does a fit person do, you may ask? They eat healthy. Right? So they be drinking water like shit. They drink water, a lot of it. I'm not saying only water, but they be drinking a lot of the water and shit like that. They don't be drinking no soda, at least at a minimum level, right? So they eat healthy, they drink water, and they exercise. And don't be on my spelling. I know this shit is good, but don't be on my body like, oh, that nigga can't spell for shit. You a bit. Nah, I'm joking. Nobody over here is a bitch. But listen though. So the mindset of a fit person is eating healthy, right? They be eating healthy. They be drinking a lot of water, or at least not a lot of soda and shit like that. No sugary drinks or going crazy with them. And they be exercising. So you gotta internally think that's what a fit person does. So now you gotta actually start doing these set things. You gotta start working out. You gotta start eating healthy. You gotta start drinking healthy as well. And so you gotta as well. And this is important. Like a lot of people think, okay, this is what I gotta do. I got that shit. But what should you not do? And that's the same thing. Stop eating the junk food. Stop drinking the sodas. Stop motherfucking being lazy as shit and don't move at all. Like you gotta stop certain things and start doing other things, right? So what's important with the mindset is cutting shit out of your system and replacing that with new shit. So cut all that bullshit out, all the junk food, all that sitting on your bed, not doing anything, start moving. And some people, exercise might be like, oh, I don't want to be bothered, I don't want to do it, I hate it. Go outside for a walk every morning. That's already a huge step. Have 10K steps in the morning, 5K steps in the morning. Like, get a small goal. You gotta start small, right? Y'all niggas wanna be really big with it. Gotta start small. So, again, with the mindset, after a while, certain shit will just be disgusting to you. Eating junk food be like, ugh, I'm fit, I don't be doing this. Like, certain shit you just don't be doing because it's not in your system. And that's why the mindset is important. If you get the mindset of a fit person, certain shit won't be in your system. Certain shit will. You'll feel bad if you don't work out, because working out is something internally. You'll feel bad eating that junk food because being clean, eating healthy, being on your diet, being on your shit is internally for you important. Or drinking that soda gonna be bad for you because you'll always be eating that good shit or drinking that good shit, right? So if, let's say, for the exercise, right, it's hard for you to start with the exercise. Like, that shit is difficult. The gym is scary or some shit like that. I say start small. So if you never worked out, I'm saying have a 5K walk daily. Every day, have a 5K walk daily. Not kilometers, 5K steps. So 5K steps. That's important. Have 5K steps daily. So you walk every day, 5K steps. And have it in a plan. Plan it as well. Have it like a morning walk. Every time the same, like get it in rotation, in schedule. Every day, 8 a.m. Have a little walk. At the walk, you can listen to videos like this. Hey, subscribe while you edit. And share the video as well. But you can have a little 5K walk. Get that shit in your system for like 1 week. This like week 1, right? If you never started working out, we're gonna get there. So this is week 1. After week 1, you're gonna say, okay, I can do that shit go smoothly. I can do that shit. You might want to increase it to 10K. Cause 5K ain't a lot. It's really easy to do. You might increase it to 10K. Or you might say, you start calisthenics. What is calisthenics? Calisthenics is body weight exercises. So you might say, I'm going to do 30 push-ups daily. 30 push-ups, 30 squats, and like 30, I don't know, like sit-ups or some shit. Why did I do that? Sit-ups. You might say, I'm going to do that on week 2. Or you might combine the ones and say, I'm going to do that in the morning. And week 3, you add 10 more. So you do 40. Week 4, you do 50. And now you can just do that. You've slowly got to get into it. You slowly got to actively start doing the shit that fit people do. Implement them right now. Don't be thinking, I'm going to start January 1st. If you see this video, if you see this video start right now, bro, I'm saying start instantly. Because A lot of people get mixed up with, oh, I'm gonna need the right time to start. There's no better time to start than right now, bro. I don't care if you ate junk food 5 minutes before watching this video. Decide that you're not gonna eat junk food later in the day because you already ate junk food. If you did something bad, it's okay, but don't be getting back to that shit. No need for that. Literally, there's no need. So that's the little mindset thing with the food. We can also talk about drinks. Like, it's not that difficult. Don't drink no soda drinks. It's just bad for you. It tastes sweet, but it's ass, to be honest. Just drink tea and water, in my opinion. I got my water over here. If you, for the most part, drink water and tea, and maybe you don't want to be a zombie, have 1 glass of soda. I wouldn't recommend it. I would say maybe once a week. But if you're starting out, have 1 glass of soda, drink the rest water. And before you know it, you will feel better. You will consume a lot less calories because there's a lot of calories in soda and shit like that. You get more fit with the walking and the better eating. You'll get more fit as well. And with eating, I would recommend just don't eat as much. Have like 2 meals a day, literally. Like, the reason why I'm still maintaining this shape, even though I don't necessarily eat the best, is simply because I only eat once or twice a day. And if you do that, you're gonna be good and don't be crazy. If you want to have McDonald's, and I'm gonna be crazy with this one, I say you can eat McDonald's. Literally, I believe you can get fit while eating McDonald's, but only have one menu. And that's like one of the two dishes that you eat every day. Then you can get fit. Your nutrition might be ass, so I don't recommend it, but you can do it. If you look at the calories, right? If you only have one menu and you have like a good morning breakfast or some shit, and like at the night McDonald's, you're gonna be Gucci, bro. I'm telling you right now, you're gonna be good. You're gonna be good. So that's it for the mindset part. So you gotta have the right frame of mind. And by the way, that's also at the same time getting the exercises done to get fit. Like I told you already, like the walk. The walk. I don't know why it sound like I don't even know why it sound like that, but you gotta have the walk, right? Or the push-ups, the calisthenics, or going to the gym. It don't matter what you do. If you want to see a video on the best ways to get started moving, I can make a video of that as well. I will probably make that because I start going to the gym. I'm still fit. I started with the gym though. The gym is very key. I'm doing boxing right now. That's like my fitness. Also calisthenics. So there's multiple ways to getting fit. Also running. There's so many ways to get fit, right? You just got to pick what you like. And that's the thing. Pick something that you like. Otherwise you won't get it done. So that's pretty much it on how to get fit. It's really just a mindset thing. So you gotta have the right frame of mind. You really gotta believe to yourself, like, okay, this is me. This is what I do. I'm a fit person. I don't do certain things, and I do other things as well. I don't do this and I do that. That's literally the mindset that you gotta have. And if you don't know what the right mindset is, start looking at people that you deem as fit, that you think, oh, that person has a fit body. How did he get there? And you're gonna listen to maybe, a podcast, like the mindset of that person. Because the mindset is literally the thing that differentiates everybody. Because we have the potential, I believe, but the mindset is what keeps you in the same position you are currently in. And the first step you already took by watching this video. So give yourself some props. I got you some props as well, but like, it just starts off with a mindset. After that, you just slowly but surely get into being fit physically, because your outer world is a reflection of your inner. So if your inner ain't fit, you ain't gonna be fit outside. And you cannot change, oh shit, I'm gonna go to the gym really hard right now because I want to get fit. You're just gonna get back to your old routine because you internally don't even be fit. So it don't make sense. The reason why I got fit so easily is because I always was fit, even when I was fat. When I was fat, my mindset was, okay, I reached my goal, reaching 100K. Jeez, well, 100K, not yet. Saying to myself, I need to reach 100 kgs. And after that, I said, okay, now it's time to get in shape. And I did it, and it wasn't hard because my mindset was always, I'm still fit. I'm just bulking, dirty. So if other people might thought, oh, he let himself go. I just knew the bigger picture. And that's the thing. If you have the right mindset, nobody can tell you nothing because you know what it is. They don't know what you got planned up. So, hey, I'm going to make a better constructed video in the future as well. I'm still figuring out what the best way is to make videos for me. I want to have a certain type of rawness, and I also want to have a certain type of structure. So I'm just freestyling currently, but hey, it's gonna get better next year. We're gonna get there. So hey, if you enjoyed the video, drop a like, comment, all that good stuff. I'm gonna see you on the next one. If this helped, let me know. Yeah, man, we out of here.